How to add users to Meta Business Suite account. What is up, everybody? If you are trying to add users or other people to your Meta Business Suite account, this is how to do it. First of all, open up your web browser, and on the address bar, you're going to have to search for business.facebook.com. Hit enter, and it will direct you to Meta Business Suite. Just make sure that you are logged into the correct account where you want to add people. And on the left side, you'll find your navigation bar. Find the settings icon right above help and click on it. Then once you land on your settings page, you have different options here. So you will be directed on this user profile. Click on this drop down and head over to people. Then once you get here, you'll find your profile here that you have full control over everything. And if you want to add more people, you're going to have to click on invite people. And then here you will have to enter their email address first. So go ahead and enter their email address. And then once you've entered their email, if you want the additional settings, you can give them a temporary access. Once the email has been entered, you can go ahead and click on next. So on this temporary access, you can choose your business portfolio expiry date. Just choose a random date here that you want it to expire and click on next. Now here, this is an important part. So if you want them to give partial access, view people with full control, everyone added to the business portfolio will get the basic access. They can only work on pages, Instagram accounts, or other business assets that they are assigned to them. And if you want to add them to apps and integration, they can also set up the conversions of API, monitor different kind of events, and edit application, and could also create the access tokens. So if you want, you could turn it on as well. So this is the default access. And if you want them to give full control over everything, you have to make sure that this is only available to those who you trust. Otherwise, they can mess up your entire portfolio. Now tap on next. Here you can choose a business asset that you want to assign to them. So let's just select one of our pages and then confirm our selection. There's also an option to specify the rules where they can manage content, community activities, and all of these stuff here. So let's just add some insights, and if you want them to do everything, you can click here to give access to everything. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to turn on only the first three options and then tap on next again. Now finally here, it will show you their email and when it expires, when the access expires. Now finally, click on send invitation. And once they accept your invitation, they will be added to your portfolio right here. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.